welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I wanted to introduce you to a new product that we just picked up called the, get ready, Fabriano Black drawing pad. And it's so black they had to say it twice. It's even on the cover. I'm going to show you here. I don't know if you can see it. It says black on there. Yeah, it's slick. This one's really interesting. This appeals to me in the same way the small scale Strathmore multimedia board does. These are pre-cut into some really cool sizes. They are, you know, a pad, but this is actually an uncoated cardboard, and it's actually milled with really deep, dark black pigment in the paper. So it is black all the way through. It is not like some junky cardboard, and it's not blue black, it's not brown black. It is black, and it's really nice. This works well with pastel, colored pencil, paint markers, acrylic paint, paint pens, all kinds of stuff like that. And I just wanted you guys to kind of see the kind of like dramatic immediacy that comes with this. I got like a little sketch going here. You guys are familiar with the Molotow liquid chrome pens that we've carried for a while. See, they're black and fantastic too. But this is a liquid silver that's, you know, called the liquid chrome because, my lord, it looks like that. But I wanted you to see just how like beautiful the kind of contrast that you get with this. So let's go ahead and put a little line work in here. Hopefully you can see this okay. It's tough to do sketches here where you guys can see what I'm doing, I can see what I'm doing, but it doesn't actually interfere with the end product. But as you can see, it's a deep, dark, dramatic jet black. It is glorious and beautiful, and it's a really nice, I wouldn't say it's like a plate surface, but it's definitely like a smoother than most like vellums. Doesn't have that kind of tooth on it. I just really like the feel of this, the smoothness and the immediacy of it. So if you have not taken a look at these are inexpensive. They come in like a handful of like really great sizes, and you can check those out. We have them available now on cheapjoes.com. They are very inexpensive for the number of sheets and the usable material that you get. Absolutely check this out. You don't want to miss out on the Fabriano black drawing pads. They are fantastic, and we are sure that you will enjoy.